Welcome all once again onto your YouTube channel Excel Official Classes। जैसा कि आप सभी लोग जान रहे हैं कि हमारा YouTube चैनल बहुत ही बढ़िया चल रहा है और हमारी वेबसाइट बन चुकी है। गूगल प्ले स्टोर पर हमारा ऐप लॉन्च हो चुका है। मैं अभिषेक तिवारी आप लोगों को मैथ्स पढ़ाने वाला हूँ यहाँ इंग्लिश मीडियम में। आज का जो हमारा टॉपिक रहेगा वो है राइट सर्कुलर कोन। जैसा कि हमने कल आपको उसमें के 3 क्वेश्चन कराए थे, आज आगे कुछ क्वेश्चन और कराते जाते हैं जो कुछ थोड़ा सा डिफिकल्ट रहेंगे। उस चैनल पे आगे बढ़ने से पहले हम आपको ये बता देते हैं कि जो भी बच्चे प्ले स्टोर पे हमारा ऐप डाउनलोड करना चाहते हैं वो प्ले स्टोर पे जाकर एक्सेल ऑफिशियल क्लासेस सर्च करेंगे, आपको हमारा ऐप मिल जाएगा। वहां पे आपको सेशन टेस्ट, मॉक टेस्ट, पीडीएफ फाइल्स वगैरह भी मिलेंगी। टेलीग्राम चैनल भी आप मेरा ज्वाइन कर सकते हैं। टीचमेंट ऐप का प्रयोग कर रहे हैं जो टीचमेंट भी हमारा है। टीचमेंट पे आपको होमवर्क वगैरह भी मिल जाएंगे, सारी चीजें अपलोड कर देंगे ये वहां पे। तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करिए और लाइक करिए और सबको शेयर करिए एज मोर एज पॉसिबल यू कैन डू इट नाउ। चलिए आगे बढ़ते हैं, हम अपने टॉपिक पे आ जाते हैं, राइट सर्कुलर कोन पे। तो हमारा टॉपिक था क्या, राइट सर्कुलर कोन। इसमें से 3 क्वेश्चन हमने आपको कराए थे। चलिए आगे आते हैं 4th क्वेश्चन पे। द रेडियस एंड हाइट ऑफ अ कोन, द रेडियस एंड हाइट ऑफ द कोन are in the ratio 3:4, are in the ratio 3:4 if its volume is 301.44 centimeter cube, 301.44 centimeter cube, what is its radius? What is its radius? And find its slant height also. And find its slant height also. Before forwarding on the question, we take up a revision on the formulas of the right circular cone. Then we have volume of a cone is equals to 1/3 pi r square h. CSA of a cone, it means curved surface area of a cone, is equals to pi r l, and TSA यानी कि total surface area of cone is equals to pi r plus l. These are the formulas which we are going to use in this chapter. Please take up in your mind and learn by heart. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Now coming on the question. Solution. We have to suppose radius of the cone is equals to 3x, and height of the cone is equals to 4x. Now putting the formula of the volume, because we have to find the volume of a right circular cone, and in the question the volume of a circular cone is given as 301.44 centimeter cube. Now let's see. Volume of cone is equals to 1/3 pi r square h. Then 301.44 is equals to 1/3 pi. We put the value of r as 3x the whole square into h 4x. Now we solve out and find the value of x. Now solving the question, we got the answer as 301.44 centimeter cube is equals to 3 cut down 9 into 4 x cube upon 3 into pi. 3 ones are 3, 3 threes are 9. Then 301.44 is equals to 12x cube pi. Now finding the answer of x. Then x cube becomes x cube is equals to 301.44 upon 12 pi. Then x is equals to cube root of 301.44 upon 12 pi, the whole power 1 upon 3. This is the value of x which we have to find out in this question. Now please note down the question. In the next part, we are going to take the log of LHS and RHS. Now, taking log on both sides. Taking log on both sides. It becomes log x is equals to log 301.44 upon 12 pi whole power 1 upon 3. Put up the formula of log. It becomes 1 upon 3 log 301.44 upon 12 pi. Now log x is equals to 1 upon 3. In the class 8, we know that the log m upon n is equals to log m minus log n. We have studied earlier these formulas in our topic. Now put this formula in this step. This becomes log 301.44 minus log 12 pi. Then log x is equals to 0.301. This is our answer. Now, in the third part of the questions, we have to find out the value of log x by taking the antilog. Taking antilog, it becomes x is equals to 0.301. X is equals to 0.301. Then x is equals to 2 centimeter. From the log table, this value comes from the log table. You all have to learn the log table given at the behind of your book in the last 3 pages of NCERT solutions. Now put the value of x in the radius and height. Suppose radius is 3x, then 3 into 2, then radius becomes 6 centimeter, and height 4 into 2, then height becomes 8 centimeter. Now, slant height is equals to under root r square plus h square. It becomes 6 square plus 8 square is equals to under root 100. Then L is equals to 10 centimeter. Now coming on the 5th question. If there is any misunderstanding in the question, please tell me in the comment box or email